In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Nintendo Switch Pro controller on your PC for Steam games. If you prefer using the comfortable and responsive Nintendo Switch Pro controller, this guide will help you get it set up and ready to use with Steam in no time. Let's get started by connecting your Nintendo Switch Pro controller to your PC. You can do this using a USB cable or via Bluetooth depending on your preference. For Bluetooth, simply navigate to your PC's Bluetooth settings, make sure it's turned on, and hold down the syncing button located on the top of your controller until it shows up in your list of available devices. Clicking to pair it will complete the connection. Now it's time to open your Steam app. Once Steam is up and running, click on the login button. You'll need your account name and password to sign into your account, so make sure you have those handy. After logging in, head over to the top left corner where you see the word Steam and click it to open the drop down menu. From there, select Settings. This is where you'll be able to configure your controller. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the Controller option. Once you're directed to the controller settings page, find the option that says Turn on or Enable Steam Input for Switch Pro controllers and make sure it's activated. It's essential to ensure that Steam Input for Switch Pro controllers is enabled, because this feature allows Steam to recognize the Nintendo controller and configure it accordingly for use with games. Next, you'll want to turn off Enable Steam Input for generic controllers to avoid any potential conflicts between different inputs. Only your Switch Pro controller should have priority right now. When that's all set, go ahead and close the tab and return to Steam's main menu. Here, you'll need to select Exit from the menu to close Steam completely. This is key because it ensures all the new settings are saved properly. Once Steam is closed, it's time to reopen the app again. Navigate to your library section from the top menu. Within the library, you'll find an option called Add a Game in the bottom left corner. Click on that, then select Add a non-Steam game. From the list of applications, select the Epic Games Launcher or any other game launcher you might be using, and then click Add Selected Programs. Afterward, you'll notice Epic Games Launcher is now part of your Steam library. To play, click on Epic Games Launcher from the left sidebar where it's now listed, and then hit the play button. Now you can enjoy your games using the Nintendo Switch Pro controller seamlessly without missing a beat. With these steps, you're all set to experience the games you love on Steam with the Nintendo Switch Pro controller for enhanced comfort and gameplay. Happy gaming.